Have you ever been in a situation where you're using a business communication platform, happily texting away with your customers, and then, bam, you get your monthly bill and see a bunch of surprise charges for SMS messages? It's a frustrating experience, and it's something a lot of people worry about with services like RingCentral. The big question is, does RingCentral charge for SMS? And if so, how much? Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know about RingCentral's SMS pricing. We'll dive into the details, look at the different plans, and help you understand how to avoid those unexpected overage fees. So, stick around because this is going to save you a lot of headaches and, more importantly, a lot of money. First, let's get the simple answer out of the way. Yes, RingCentral does charge for SMS messages, but it's not a simple one-size-fits-all scenario. The charges depend on your specific plan and your usage. It's not like the unlimited texting you might be used to on your personal cell phone plan. With RingCentral, texting is a feature with a cap, and going over that cap is where the charges come in. Now, let's talk about the specifics. RingCentral offers several plans, and each one comes with a different monthly allotment of SMS and MMS messages per user. Let's break down the main plans they offer and what you get with each. At the lowest tier, you have the Core plan. This plan is designed for small businesses with basic needs. It gives you a limited number of texts, which is usually around 25 SMS/MMS messages per user per month. It's a great starting point for businesses that don't do a lot of texting, but if you have even a moderate number of text conversations, you could hit that limit pretty quickly. Next up is the Advanced plan. This plan is a step up, and it's a popular choice for growing businesses. With this plan, you get a higher text allotment, typically around 100 SMS/MMS messages per user per month. This gives you more breathing room for customer conversations, but it's still not unlimited. If your business relies heavily on text messages for marketing, support, or sales, even 100 messages a month per user might not be enough. Finally, there's the Ultra plan. This is the top-tier option, aimed at large enterprises and call centers. This plan gives you the highest monthly allotment of texts, usually around 200 SMS/MMS messages per user per month. While this is a significant increase, it's still a cap. The key takeaway here is that no matter which of these standard plans you choose, you are not getting unlimited texting. So, what happens when you go over your monthly text limit? This is where the overage charges kick in. The cost per message varies, but it's typically a small fee for each text you send or receive beyond your allotment. The rates can also depend on whether the message is an SMS or an MMS, and whether it's a domestic or international message. For instance, sending a multimedia message, like a picture, will count as an MMS and can cost more than a standard text. It's also important to understand how RingCentral defines a message. A single text message isn't always one-to-one with a single charge. Text messages are often billed in segments, with the length of each segment determined by the character encoding. This means a long message that looks like a single text on your phone might actually be billed as multiple segments, adding up to more than one charged message. This is a crucial detail that many people miss, and it can lead to a bigger bill than you expected. Another thing to be aware of is the difference between domestic and international messaging. The allotments we just discussed are typically for domestic messages within the US and Canada. If you're texting international numbers, the rates are different and are often only available within the RingCentral admin portal, so you'll need to log in to see the specific charges. This can make it tricky to predict your costs if you have a global customer base. Now, you might be thinking, what if I need to send a lot of texts? Is there a solution? For businesses with high-volume SMS needs, RingCentral offers a high-volume SMS add-on. This is a separate service that is designed for sending large numbers of messages. The pricing for this is typically on a pay-as-you-go basis, with a per-message fee for every text sent or received. This is the best option if your business relies on bulk texting for marketing campaigns, appointment reminders, or other mass communication. So, how can you keep track of your usage and avoid overage fees? RingCentral makes it possible to monitor your SMS usage through your admin portal. As an administrator, you can log in and view detailed billing statements and usage logs. This allows you to see how many messages have been sent and received, and by which users, so you can track your team's activity and make sure you're not exceeding your plan's limits. Regularly checking this can be a lifesaver for your budget. If you're a business owner or a manager, a proactive approach is key. Don't wait for the bill to arrive. Set up alerts or notifications if available to let you know when you're approaching your monthly limit. Train your team on the importance of staying within the text allotment and encourage them to use other forms of communication, like the internal messaging or email, for non-customer-facing communications. In summary, RingCentral's SMS pricing is not unlimited. All of their standard plans come with a specific monthly cap on the number of texts per user. Going over that cap will result in additional charges on a per-message basis. The cost can also vary based on the message type, length, and destination. For businesses with heavy texting needs, the high-volume SMS add-on is the way to go. The most important thing you can do is to be aware of your plan's limits. Regularly check your usage in the admin portal and manage your team's communication habits to avoid any surprise charges. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.